I got some tassels with the silver clip cover. It just comes in a mixed bunch of colors. And I think there's 50 in here. Yep, there's 50 pieces with the silver cap. Last bag of charms, I picked up a 100-piece mix random charms. Hope you guys can see that. But yeah, it's 100 piece. A mixed bag of charms. I mean, I'm not gonna show them all, but it's just a mixed bag of charms. So let's move on to more decorations. What I plan on using for my candy wrapper charms, but I got the wrong size. But I already ordered the right size, so I just have to wait for it to come. But you get 100 pieces, and I do not know the size. I'll put it on the screen. I just got the wrong size, which I already ordered the new size. But it does these little pouches. These are PVC pouches. What I plan on doing is filling them up with little embellishments, some glitter, and then put like a charm in. Let me grab a charm. And then make it into a keychain. You can make it into a keychain, or you can keep it as this, and you can make it a shaker charm. But once the little goodies are in the bottom and the charm moves around, it becomes a shaker charm. But yeah, I can't wait to get the right size bags. I'm still going to use these to practice because I haven't made any yet. So I might still use these. But I just ordered the wrong size. Okay, I picked up an eyelet kit, an eyelet punch kit. And this is the 6mm eyelets, which are too big. So I picked up a different pack of eyelets. And then I also, when I purchased the right pouches, I picked up a 3mm, like rainbow colored eyelets. So I'll use them instead of the 6mm because these are way too big. It's nicely wrapped up. It comes in a case. It comes with the little directions, 8mm to 20. I need this. 3mm to 6mm. 3mm is going to be the smallest one. I guess when I get the bigger bags, I can use the 6mm grommets, but I need it for 3mm. So I'll probably just use this page. But you can see how big these are. And the kits came in silver and gold, and I just got the silver ones because they're pretty much universal. So those are the grommets. And then I think these are the backs, the backings. I have not used a grommet maker. I've used a snap maker, but never a grommet one. So this is going to be like a learning experience for me. But I think these are the backings. So you have the little punch tool. It comes with the base, and then the thing to attach the grommets. Of course, I'm gonna watch a million videos before I use it. But I also purchased, and these are 0.9 centimeters, which is 0.35 inches. And these are the rainbow grommets or eyelets. It comes with a silver backing piece. And then just a bunch of different colors of the grommets. And these are the perfect size. I don't know what size these are. I'll put them on the screen. But I think these and the 3mm are the perfect size. Next, I picked up these bags are extremely tiny. I should have looked into this more. It wasn't too bad of a price anyway. But this is 10 packs of random glitter. These little glitter shapes. These bags are extremely small. When it's open, because there's glitter everywhere. So you get some little rainbow butterflies. You get rainbow hollow stars. You get heart sequins, and it's like iridescent. You get hollow hearts. Does it has a little piece? Yep, it has a little inside in there too. You get hollow hearts in blue, and then you get this pretty green, like duochrome shift little circles. You get the same duochrome green. Look at that flash, like in heart sprinkles, heart sequins. Oh, I didn't even see these. And then you get the purple duochrome circles. I would like more of these with bigger bags. And you get the red flash duochrome change in the hollow hearts with the little insides. Oh, this is the culprit that's busted, or they just sealed the glitter in and it's everywhere. But these are holographic silver diamonds, diamond shaped glitter. And then these are diamond shapes, but they're iridescent in like a fuchsia pink color. This is double-sided craft tape. So it's 2 rows that just stuck together. So we just swing, what are these called? Swivel clasps for keychains and just different colors. Red, orange, hot pink, hot pink, light pink, purple, yellow, white, black, and green. That's about it. And then it comes with the matching jump rings. So it comes with 32 pieces clasp and 100 jump rings. 20 pack. And I got it because it has all different colors. All the colors that I'll be needing for my keychains. Like different patterns, stripes, a grid. It's pretty much gonna work with all colors of my keychains. Now on to my fillers. And I'm gonna store them in these little containers so it'll make it easy to store them. So first we have an orange and white mix with cherries in it, and stars and little 3D diamonds and some pearls. And of course I'm gonna put these with the cherry charms, but I'm gonna probably add more red sprinkles in here because this is pretty much orange. We got some ice cream and like candy female slices, and this is 20 grams. There's even some sushi slices in here, which I'm gonna take those out. It has puddings and popsicles and a piece of toast. So it's just random, pretty much. We got some, like a mermaid mix, some teal shells, some little white and pink flowers, some little petals. It's giving a mermaid mix, which I'm gonna add the mermaid charms to it. And I'm not gonna add the whole thing to this either. And the little diamonds are gonna be amazing for the shaker part. Of course, you have to get honeycomb for the bees. And then again, it has yellow sprinkles, fake. These are all polymer clay sprinkles. These are not real. And then it has the little 3D diamonds. Next, we got another sprinkle mix. It has leafy mo slices, fake polymer clay sprinkles, and ladybug polymer clay slices. You already know where I'm going with this. Oh, and it has green polymer clay sprinkles and white. Is 20 grams, I'm sure. But these are space theme. It has stars, moon sprinkles, planet polymer clay pieces. I guess I could have put it in one. And then again, blue sprinkles, and then the pearls. Next, I'm not gonna put all of these in here. This is a 50-gram bag, and I think this was like $2. I saw some 50-gram bag sprinkles on Temu for like $5, $6, $10, but I got this steal of a deal. It was only $2.50. It's just mixed color hearts, sprinkles, mini diamonds, and pearls. And I'm gonna use it for any colorful charm. And that is it, guys. I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. So I'll see you in the next video.